Hey everyone, this is Kenji López-Alt. I'm here at my restaurant again, Whisk. Now it's daytime. And today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make pasta in 5 minutes or less. It's Spaetzle, faster than pancakes. Here we go. So, I got a dry bowl, 70 grams of flour, 1 egg, 70 grams of flour, that's about half a cup. And you want about 2.5 tablespoons of milk, roughly. Pinch of salt. And let me grab a whisk. We're gonna whisk this all together. So you wanna look for basically a batter that kind of just flows. A little bit thicker than pancake batter. Not as thin as crepe batter. Right around there. I'm gonna add a little bit of chives to this. You don't have to add any herbs at all if you don't want. Crack back black pepper. And in the meantime, I got this water going here, salted water. I'm also gonna get a pan going because after we boil it, we're gonna saute it in some brown butter with cabbage. So that butter's gonna get going here. All right. There's our Spaetzle batter. That's what it should look like right there, you see? Now here I've got a Spaetzle maker. This is specially made for that, but you don't need one of these. You can actually just take a colander with holes and basically you dump the batter in and push it out with a spatula. But I'm gonna use a Spaetzle maker here because we have it. And this kind of basically just cuts off little bits of dough. Batter, and they fall into the water and cook. And I'll grab another bowl while I'm at it. And that's pretty much done. Pull these out and set them aside. Alright, while the butter is browning, you want to shake a little bit so it doesn't kind of sputter and browns nice and evenly. And to this, I'm just going to add some green cabbage, some onion. This is sort of very classic way of doing this, but you know, Spaetzle is very versatile. You can do pretty much anything you want with it. You can saute it just with brown butter on its own. You can add some, you can add Parmesan cheese if you want. You could add, we used to do a dish here with kimchi, fried kimchi in Spaetzle. It was delicious with a poached egg on top. But this is really sort of the most classic method. I'll let this brown up slightly. Let that Spaetzle drain a little. What's our time at right now? 4 minutes, 50 seconds. All right, we're getting there. Maybe go slightly over the 5 minutes. Spaetzle into the pan. little bit more salt. More chives at the end. You could do scallions, parsley, nothing at all if you don't want. And that is all right, 6.5 minute pasta, start to finish, scratch. Think about the fastest pasta you can make.